How to show calendar events on iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the bottom until you find and tap on Wallpaper. On this page, tap on the Customize button under the current lock screen preview as shown. You are now in the lock screen editor. Tap on the widget area below the time to add a new widget. From the Add Widgets panel that appears, scroll down and select the calendar app from the list. Here, choose the widget style you prefer for the calendar events. Simply tap on it, and it will be added to the widget area. Once the widget is in place, close the panel and tap Done at the top right corner to save in your lock screen layout. You can now view the added calendar event in the lock screen. Following these steps, you can easily show calendar events on an iPhone lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.